Statistics. It's a word that might make some people think of complicated formulas and endless numbers. The mere mention of statistics can bring to mind images of dense textbooks and intimidating equations. But don't worry, statistics is much simpler than that. At its core, it's about making sense of information in a way that's easy to understand. It's a way to understand the world around us using data. Whether it's in science, business, or everyday life, data is everywhere. Data can be anything we can count or measure, like the number of rainy days in a year or the heights of students in a class. It can even be the scores of your favorite sports team. Statistics helps us collect, organize, analyze, and interpret this data. It turns raw numbers into meaningful insights. It's like a detective's toolkit for uncovering hidden patterns and relationships. Just as a detective pieces together clues to solve a case, statisticians piece together data to reveal the bigger picture. Just like a detective uses clues to solve a mystery, we can use statistics to answer questions and make better decisions. It helps us see trends and make predictions. So the next time you hear the word statistics, remember that it's just a fancy way of saying making sense of data. It's a powerful tool that helps us understand our world better. And that's something we can all do. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious, statistics is a skill that can benefit everyone. Statistics isn't just for scientists and mathematicians, it's everywhere in our daily lives. Think about your favorite sports team. Statistics tell us which players score the most points, how well the team performs at home versus on the road, and even predict their chances of winning the championship. Or let's say you're baking a cake. You'll use statistics to measure the ingredients, set the oven temperature, and time how long it bakes. Without even realizing it, you're using statistics to create a delicious treat. Statistics is all about making informed decisions based on data. Whether it's figuring out the best route to work, deciding which movie to watch, or understanding the latest health trends, statistics empowers us to make smarter choices. Now that we know statistics is all about data, let's explore the two main types: descriptive and inferential statistics. First up, descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics are used to describe the basic features of the data in a study. They provide simple summaries about the sample and the measures. Imagine you're organizing a chess tournament. You've got the scores of all the players, but it's just a jumbled mess of numbers. Without a way to organize and summarize this data, it would be nearly impossible to make sense of it. This is where descriptive statistics comes in. Descriptive statistics helps us summarize and describe the main features of a dataset. It allows us to present the data in a more meaningful way, which often includes visual representations like graphs and charts. One way to do this is by using measures of central tendency, like the mean, median, and mode. These measures help us understand the central point around which the data revolves. The mean is the average score, the median is the middle score when arranged in order, and the mode is the most frequent score. Each of these measures provides a different perspective on the data. We can also use measures of dispersion, like the range and standard deviation, to understand how spread out the scores are. These measures give us insight into the variability within our dataset. Descriptive statistics paints a clear picture of our data, making it easier to understand the results of our chess tournament. By summarizing the data effectively, we can make informed decisions and draw meaningful conclusions. Inferential statistics. Taking a calculated guess. Moving on to inferential statistics. This branch of statistics allows us to make predictions and inferences about a population based on a sample of data. Let's say we want to know if there's a relationship between the age of our chess players and their performance. This is where inferential statistics comes into play. We can't survey every chess player in the world, so we'll take a random sample and use inferential statistics to make predictions about the entire population. This method saves time and resources while still providing valuable insights. Inferential statistics allows us to draw conclusions and make generalizations based on a smaller sample of data. It helps us understand trends and patterns that would be impossible to see otherwise. We can use techniques like hypothesis testing to determine if there's enough evidence to support our claim. Hypothesis testing is a powerful tool that helps us validate our assumptions. For example, we might hypothesize that older chess players perform better. This hypothesis can be tested using our sample data. By analyzing our sample data, we can calculate the probability of our hypothesis being true. This involves using statistical methods to estimate the likelihood of our hypothesis. Inferential statistics helps us understand the big picture by making informed guesses based on the data we have. It allows us to make educated decisions and predictions, ultimately leading to better outcomes. Statistics in action, from chessboards to the world stage. We've seen how statistics helps us understand chess tournaments, but its applications are limitless. In medicine, statistics helps researchers test new drugs and treatments, track the spread of diseases, and identify risk factors. In business, statistics guides marketing campaigns, predicts customer behavior, and optimizes pricing strategies. Even in our daily lives, statistics informs our understanding of current events. From election polling to economic forecasts, statistics helps us make sense of the world around us. The power of statistics. Understanding our world. Statistics is a powerful tool for understanding the world around us. By collecting, analyzing, and interpreting data, we can unlock hidden patterns, make informed decisions, and navigate the complexities of our increasingly data-driven society. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply a curious individual, embracing statistics empowers you to become a more informed and critical thinker. So, the next time you encounter a statistic, don't shy away from it. Embrace the opportunity to delve deeper, ask questions, and uncover the story behind the numbers. Statistics is not just about formulas and calculations, it's about using data to understand ourselves and the world we live in. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Sir B.